There are a lot of defenses to a typical DUI. You have to look at the calibration records of the machines that are used to test you. They have to make sure that it complies with what's called Title 17 from California to make sure that everything the officer does is proper. They have to make sure that the blood results weren't tainted or the chain of custody is accurate. They have to make sure that the Miranda warnings were properly given when statements are taken. Make sure that the field sobriety tests were done in a manner that is consistent with what the California Supreme Court wants done, and that it's being given by somebody who's an expert in that area and analyzed by that same person. You also want to look at the totality of the circumstances, including the probable cause for the stop. Those are just a few of the defenses that we attack and look at in your case, and it's important to start from the day after you get arrested. Many of you have friends who've been arrested for DUIs, and you've heard the horror stories. The attorneys that either don't show up to court, or they sell it to a third party and they keep part of the money. They don't put on a vigorous defense, or they may not even specialize in this area. It is critical that when you pick a DUI attorney here in Los Angeles, that you find somebody who's qualified and is an expert in this area. Somebody who's been on the other side as a prosecutor, somebody who has dozens of years of experience in this, knows the law, knows the judges, knows the prosecutor, and knows the cops. This is how you attack a case, and it's methodical, and it's detail-oriented, and you need somebody up to that challenge. If you've been arrested for a DUI, and you've just gotten out of jail, you need to make the most important decision: who's going to represent you. Time is of the essence. Before charges are filed, a lot can be done to try and stop this. Please give me a call. It's a free consultation, and come see me.